Hi guys, my name is Destiny and welcome to my first video. To start off, I will be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4. I will just be outlining my eyebrows right now. I will now be using the Anastasia Eyebrow Pomade in shade Caramel to fill in my eyebrows. I will now go in with the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara just to set the ending of my brows. To set the beginning of my brows, I will be using this Tinted Brow Gel. I will then go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Sand to clean up my brows. And I'm sorry about the lighting in this part. I then use my Morphe sponge to blend out the concealer. Then use the same concealer as an eye primer. I will then go in with this eyeshadow palette that I received from the July BoxyCharm subscription. I'm taking this orange shade all over my eyelid but concentrating it more on my crease. I then go in with the light hand of a dark brown shade to deepen up my outer V. I then apply this orange shimmery shade with my finger. I then go ahead and pop on some lashes. I then take this mascara that I also received from the July BoxyCharm subscription. I then go in with the NYX Honey Do Me Up Face Primer and the Benefit POREfessional Pearl Primer. Next, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 220. I then take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight my face. And I am so sorry, but I just realized that I covered myself while I was blending out my concealer. I then go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set my face in place. Then take the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer to bronze up my skin. I then use the Note Blush in the shade Desert Rose, which turns out to be a little too pigmented. I then go ahead and finish up my eyes. I then go in with this Morphe Highlight in the shade Exposed. To finish up my face, I go in with the Urban Decay Setting Spray. I then use this Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kip in the shade Exposed. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!